Hi, what's up, Vechain holders? So this is alert news for our Vechain holder because it's a very critical condition. Vechain is completely fails down. What's the condition, my brother, and what we do and this current condition, sell, hold, or buy, and what's the prediction in upcoming time? There is a chance to Vechain moving upward, and what's the technical analysis after a very high research, my friend. I research on Twitter, I research on Google, and after that, my friend, I just share my opinion and this video. So kindly, holder, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe the channel and also click the red button, my friend, subscribe, and press the bell icon for videos notification. So as you can see, remember the last 7 days chart is on the screen in this chart as completely show you to the China curve will be positive. So it's a very good news. Congrats to all Vechain holder to Vechain is completely moving upward, especially my friends doing very hard, very bad mistake, short time investor, and this time, and the mistake is that, my friends, today starting selling. Definitely if you starting selling in this current time, absolutely you are in the lost, my brother. It's a brother, I share my opinion, my brother, and this video. So kindly, holder, try to understand what I tell you. As you can see, my brother, this time the last 7 days price is $0.14 but this time you can see the latest price is $0.12. So it means to from last 7 days they are lost, my brother. 0.12 they are lost, my brother. So it's a very bad news for all of you. You can see the last 1 hour change occur and the price absolutely the change will be negative. So therefore I make this alert video for all holder to don't sell it, don't hold, my friends, don't sell it, and don't see this short fail. Absolutely after this short fail, I hope upcoming time they take a very huge jump. So this is my prediction, my brothers, to upcoming time there is more chances to reach and will move upward. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now just in only, my friend, in the start of second week now in this month. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, remember to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.